Meaning of fife.
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 Fife. Fife can refer to two different things. In terms of a musical instrument, a fife is a small, high-pitched transverse flute that is often used in military and marching bands. In a completely different context, fife can also be a verb meaning to make a shrill, piercing noise similar to the sound of a fife. This can be used to describe anything from an annoying car alarm to the sound of a bird call. Overall, the term fife can refer to either a specific musical instrument or a sound associated with high-pitched, piercing noises.